Surprise.its.stella
and Cruz.
Hey guys, welcome back today. We're going to do another busy Minecraft. You're going to get these items. So you're going to get 3 corks, this, and 2 elastics, and 2 pieces of paper. One is square and one round. And instructions. Today we're going to make cork boats, and then we're going to take them to the beach and launch on them. We're going to make a base by gluing our corks together. It's very hard, so be very careful. Now that we got our base glued, wrap elastics around it to make it super secure. Now we're gonna cut, with your big piece of paper like this, you're gonna cut a big triangle for the sail. And then we're gonna cut a little flag. Now that you got these cut out, you can color on them.
Now that I have my flag and my sail cut out, I'm gonna just glue it onto my stick. Now these are ready to go. Now we're gonna put them on our boat base.
You might want to add a lot of glue so it's extra secure. Hey guys, now we're going to launch our boats. Now we made some adjustments to the boats. We put 2 more corks on the sides. And now we're going to go test them out.
Now we're going to launch them.
It works! It's going well!